Well, folks, back again. Captain Tommy and John looking at a new boat. This is a sweet Afton. We went all the way to St. Paul, Minnesota and checked her out.
Good morning.
See what you think.
It is the 9th of what? October? Yeah, October. We're at Afton Marina, as you can see on the thing. The Sweet Afton is backed up into the slip. She'll be hauled out and surveyed today. Mr. John is so excited he can't stand himself. And we are in Afton, Minnesota, but we stayed in Hudson, Wisconsin, right across the bridge. Waiting for the haul out.
What I was thinking, other than go down, but you know, I couldn't take it.
Alright, here you can see we have the outdrives and the covers are missing off the top. It doesn't really affect anything except for we'll probably stop sticks and stuff from getting in there. You can see the fuel tanks are mounted right up underneath the back deck. Little swim platform. This is the inside of the bar area. There is some rotten floor joists right in that area right there, so we did not know about that when we started. The left side of the picture there, you can see that window needs to be reattached. It was just sitting there. caulked and screwed. That's the PA system. Not really wired up professionally, but it's there. This is underneath the hull, and you can see just really stout. Love that hull. Really stoutly made. A lot of rust around the hot water heater. Evidently it had leaked before, and then those wire nuts are not legal. This is the front bulkhead required for a COI boat. That is all the downstairs controls that used to be when it was a houseboat there. They just tied them up against the bottom of the floor. And it has a roof leak on the center, but it also has some leaks down the wall too. We did not know about those either when we started. This is up in the pilot house, wheelhouse, and just give you some pictures of that. It was in fairly decent shape, but there was still, we didn't know about the roof leaks. There was so much stuff we just didn't know about, so we're still looking. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.